Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This matters because subscriptions tie to that account. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name at the top. This gives direct access to subscriptions. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that you can authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or password, because you'll need approval to view and change active plans. Next, tap Subscriptions or iCloud Plus in your Apple ID settings. This shows recurring plans. Choose the active iCloud storage plan to see options. This is where Apple lists downgrade or cancel actions. You'll see the next billing date and current storage use. Read that to avoid data loss. If you also share via family sharing, make sure to check whether others rely on this storage. Proceed by selecting Cancel or Change Plan, depending on whether you want to stop auto-renewal or downgrade. Finally, confirm cancellation and note the date your plan stops. Apple typically keeps access until the end of the paid period. Once canceled, make sure your stored data does not exceed the free 5 GB. If it does, download backups or delete files because Apple may restrict syncing. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into Apple ID, update your OS, or contact Apple support for account-specific issues. Keep records of confirmation messages and check billing to ensure charges stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.